Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the payment status so you don't cancel a completed sale. Open Wallet or the merchant app and locate the transaction. If it shows pending or authorized, you can act. Make sure you have your device passcode and Apple ID handy because you may need to authenticate. Once you see pending, note the merchant name, amount, and time. This quick verification prevents unnecessary disputes and guides whether you request a cancellation from the merchant or reverse the authorization. Next, you contact the merchant to request a cancellation or void. Call or use the merchant's app chat, state the transaction ID and that the charge is still pending. Ask them to void the authorization rather than refunding later. This is faster and preserves your available balance. If they agree, make sure they confirm the void and estimated processing time. Keep any confirmation number. If they cannot void, you will need to pursue a refund or a dispute through your bank or Apple Pay support. Finally, you monitor your wallet and bank account until the void or refund posts. Typically, this takes 3 to 7 business days. If the merchant did not cancel the authorization, contact your card issuer and Apple support with the merchant confirmation, receipts, and screenshots. Explain you attempted a merchant void and request dispute initiation. As a troubleshooting tip, if an authorization remains long after promise, escalate with your bank. Authorizations usually drop off, but a dispute ensures resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.